please, I want to encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button, so anytime I drop a video like this, you will be able to get notified, then watch and learn more. All right, so continue on our web development tutorial. All right, so I'm going to delete this project. All right, so what we are going to do now, I'm going to bring out the HTML documents. So, and for me to do that, I will click on Shift and on one, like the one button. I'll click on it, then I'll click, this will pump out, then I'll just click enter, then it will display all these things for me. All right, so I'm going to explain some things here for us to understand. All right, so the first thing, this is all you need, the structure you need to start building a website. All right, so here now, this is, if you can see here, the document type is HTML. All right, because you need to let the browser know the kind of document you are building, the kind of document you want the browser to read. So now, you having this doc type HTML won't be new to the browser again. The browser already know that, oh, this specific document is an HTML document, so the browser will read everything. All right, so proceed to the second one. You can see HTML, then inside here language. This thing you are saying is language. So if you're a Chinese person, you have another language you know how to use to code, you can change it to the language. So here I'm telling the document that this is English, which is EN. All right, the abbreviation. So, and here is the header. All right, so here is the header. For example, this is the meta tag. Inside the meta tag is you can only place meta tag within the header. All right, so most of this meta tag tells the website what kind of, some kind of functionality that should be on the website. All right, so as time goes on, you understand more about the meta tag. All right, and here, if you can see here, we have what we call title. All right, so inside the title you can see that we have document. So this document now I'm going to change it to, so I will delete it, then I will change it to let me just say web development project. That is the name of our website. All right, so I will just say web development projects. Maybe with time I can decide to change it, web development, sorry. All right, so web development project. All right, so there is something I want to show us here again. So here now we have the body. All right, so within the body, everything on the web page, all right, everything that display on the website that the user can see, the codes are being written within the body, within the opening tag of the body and the closing tag of the body. Okay, so now I want to show you something. If you can see here, this is opening of the body. All right, so here now if you can see this less than greater than sign, the less than greater than sign, the difference between these two, the opening and closing tag, is the slash, the forward slash. So at the beginning of this one here, you see that there is a slash there that shows that this tag is being closed. All right, so those are the things you need to understand. So this is the opening tag of the body and this is the closing tag of the body. Every element, every tag has it. If you come here at the title, you can see there is opening tag here and the closing tag. All right, so now for us to know that everything inside here belongs to an HTML, you can see that we wrap everything, all our codes with HTML, and this is it. All right, this is it. You can see the opening tag of HTML and the closing tag. All right, so we are going to write something to display. We want to write something on the body so we can display it on the browser and know exactly what we are doing. So what I'm going to bring now, I'm going to bring a heading tag and a paragraph tag. All right, so I will just say h1, then I'll close it. All right, so within these two, the opening and closing tag, then I will type welcome to my web development project. All right, so I will do it like this. Welcome to my web development project. So I'm going to bring a paragraph tag. So most of the text you see, I will explain better to you guys. Okay, so I will bring paragraph tag. The sign for it is P. All right, so I will close it. All right, so within the P, I will bring a dummy test. I'll bring some dummy tests. So I will make use of lorem. So I'll just type LO and then click enter. All right, so this is all I have here now. So this is all I have here. All right, so I'm going to display this on the browser before I proceed in explaining. All right, let's just wait for it. All right, so this is exactly what I want to show you guys. Okay, let me take off this. I want to take off some things here because I want to show you guys something. Alright, so there is something I want to show you guys. If you look at the top here, you see web development project. Alright, so if I go back here, this is web development project as the title. So a title of a website now are the name at the top of every website. That is the title, and the title is being written at the header. All right, the header section, that is where you can put the title tag, and the title will display at the top of the website. All right, so within the body, this thing here now is within the body, so you can say welcome to my web development project, and here you can see some random dummy text which lorem, I generate them by making use of the lorem. So this is how you can do this particular displaying of contents on your web page. All right, so if you visit any website, you can see that the h1 tag is different from the p tag. All right, so the p tags are used mostly to display most articles on the web pages. Why the h1 tag or h2 to h5 tag, they are used for headers. So you can use them for headers. Maybe a title of something, you can use them so simple without using any much of css. All right, you can use the p tag as well, but most times people use the h1, h2, h3, that is the headers. All right, so back to our code. All right, back to our code. So at the end of this tutorial, you should be able to bring out the HTML element, that is the doc type, then create a project within the body, title the project "Welcome to my web development project," then generate a Lorem dummy test. All right, make sure you comment on this video.